Ever wondered how astronauts call home from outer space? Or what it'd be like to chat with aliens on a distant planet? Today, we're diving deep into the mysteries of space communication, where fact meets fiction. Let's start with some solid facts. Right now, astronauts on board the ISS use radio waves to talk to Earth. It's not much different from how we use cell phones, but the technology is a bit more advanced. The ISS relies on a system called the Tracking and Data Relay Satellites, or TDRS, to transmit signals back to Earth. These satellites bounce radio waves between space and ground stations. Astronauts can send voice, video and data through this network, which is then routed to mission control in Houston. The transmission speed is fast, but here's something that might surprise you. There's a delay. Yep, a delay of about 1.5 seconds. Not bad considering they're floating hundreds of kilometers above Earth, but it's enough to make conversation a bit awkward. Now let's dive into fiction. In most sci-fi movies, we see characters talking instantly across vast distances. But is faster-than-light communication possible? Unfortunately, according to our current understanding of physics, no. The speed of light is the universal speed limit. In real space missions, if we sent a signal to Mars, it would take anywhere between 3 to 22 minutes to get there, depending on the distance between Earth and Mars at the time. So, no real-time chat with Martians just yet, but who knows? In the future, we might find a way around this limit. Researchers are exploring quantum entanglement and other mind-bending theories. Could these be the key to instantaneous space communication? Here's a cool fact. NASA is already working on next-gen technology that could revolutionize space communication. Enter laser communication. Laser communication uses infrared light to send information in beams that are much faster and carry more data than radio waves. The Laser Communications Relay Demonstration, LCRD, launched by NASA, could send data 10 to 100 times faster than current radio frequency systems. This means higher quality video streams, faster data rates, and more efficient communication with deep space missions. In the future, laser systems could even be used for communication with Mars missions or deep space probes. Now, what about the big question? Could we ever communicate with extraterrestrial life? Sorry to disappoint, but no, we can't just send a message to aliens and expect them to understand English, or any Earth language for that matter. Communication with extraterrestrial civilizations, if they exist, would be incredibly complex. We'd have to decipher their language, if they even have one. Scientists working on SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, are using radio waves to scan the cosmos for signals that might be from intelligent life. So far, we've picked up nothing that looks like a message from aliens, but that doesn't stop people from imagining what it would be like. Who knows, maybe advanced civilizations would use something completely different from sound waves or light, like telepathy or some other method we can't even fathom yet. As technology continues to evolve, the way we communicate in space will advance too. One exciting area is quantum communication, which could potentially allow for nearly instantaneous transmission of data across vast distances. Quantum entanglement, sometimes called spooky action at a distance, is one area of research. If two particles can be entangled, meaning they're linked no matter the distance, changes in one particle affect the other instantly. In theory, this could lead to instantaneous communication, but for now, it's still very much in the realm of scientific speculation. The future might hold even more surprises as we continue our journey into the cosmos. Imagine a future where colonies on Mars send messages back to Earth instantly, or where we decode the language of an alien species. For now, though, we'll have to be content with our lasers and satellites. From real-time communication delays to the possibilities of quantum leaps, the future of space communication holds so much mystery and promise. Thanks for joining us on this journey between fact and fiction. Be sure to subscribe for more space adventures.